आइए मेरे साथ थोड़ी सी रेस लगाते हैं, देखते हैं कि मेरे साथ साथ भी आप अपने आंसर्स उसी टाइम पे फेच कर पाते हैं और क्या आपको भी वही आंसर मिलते हैं जो मैं लगा रहा हूँ, और क्या आपके भी स्पेलिंग करेक्ट जा रहे हैं या नहीं जा रहे हैं। तो अभी नेक्स्ट सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं, जिसमें यहाँ पे बात होने जा रही है द मैन इज द डैश ऑफ स्टूडेंट सर्विस एट रेड स्टॉक करके कोई जगह है, और ये स्टूडेंट सर्विस, स्टूडेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तो हो सकता है कोई कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी वगैरह होगा। ये पर्सन है, क्या है? ऑफ कोर्स कोई प्रोफाइल होगा इसका। द डैश आर एनरोल्ड एज स्टूडेंट एट द यूनिवर्सिटी, मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी की बात हो रही है, और जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट एनरोल होते हैं कौन? द डैश। हमें फिर से किसी न किसी प्रोफाइल के बारे में पढ़ना है, और वो जो हैं वो एज अ स्टूडेंट एनरोल होते हैं। The student discount card allows students to save up to -% when eating out। जब बाहर खाना खाना है कितने % की सेविंग हमें प्रोपोर्शन सुनना है। Student interest in joining a club can sign up on weekdays between, टाइमिंग देखनी है, और ड्यूरेशन between वाली मतलब मॉर्निंग टिल इवनिंग वाले। The man advises the students to dash and enjoy themselves, कि वो आए स्टूडेंट कुछ करें, to do something and enjoy themselves। फिर आ गया what kind of difficulties might people experience, क्या difficulties हैं जो experience करते हैं लोग। first problem that man mentioned, उसमें से सबसे पहली प्रॉब्लम, किस प्रॉब्लम का नाम लिया उसने? how often do drop in session take place, how often मतलब कितनी frequently ये होते रहते हैं। How long do drop-in session usually last for, कितनी देर तक ये सेशन चलता है। Who runs the workshop on personal development, ये जो personal development पे workshops होते हैं वो चलाता कौन है। मैं आपके लिए और मुश्किल बनाने जा रहा हूँ, इसकी स्पीड को मैं बढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। कुछ बच्चे कहते हैं कि हमने इतनी स्पीड पे किया, इतनी पे किया। अब मेरे साथ लाइव रह के इन 10 क्वेश्चंस को आप भी अटेम्प्ट कीजिए और देखते हैं कि हमारी स्पीड के अकॉर्डिंग क्या स्कोर आता है। अब मुझे ये नहीं पता ये बार बार मेरा टेक्स्ट टाइमली चल पाएगा या नहीं। आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Now turn to section 2 and answer questions 11 to 15.
Good morning, University of Radstock students, and thank you for coming out today. As some of you may already know, my name is Scott Barnes, and I am the director of the Student Services Office here at the university. I'm here today to give you some information about what Student Services has to offer you. To begin with, let me just say that I feel that our office will play an important role in the way that all of you will experience your time here at Radstock as students. Primarily, our center is geared towards providing answers to any questions you may have. Because all of our reception staff are currently enrolled as students at Radstock, we feel that we're in an excellent position to deal with any issues you may face during your time here at the university. As I said earlier, the Student Services Office is mainly a place where you can have your queries answered. However, the office is more than that. For example, if you come and visit us, you can pick up your student discount cards. Now, with these cards, which come at no additional cost to you, you can take advantage of reductions of up to 40% on all forms of public transport in the city. In addition, the cards are honored at many shops and restaurants in the area, giving you the chance to save up to 35% off food, beverages, and other purchases. Our office is also the place you should visit if you would like to get involved in any of the 30 different clubs and societies available at Radstock. Come in anytime between 10 and 3 on weekdays and sign up to become a member of the university choir or orchestra, the drama or debating club, the university trivia team, the list goes on and on. For new students, I cannot stress enough how vital it is to participate in the non-academic side of university life. Yes, we are here to work hard and do our best at our studies, but student life is also about having fun and meeting like-minded people. So, bearing that in mind, make sure that you get involved and enjoy yourselves.
Before you hear the rest of the talk, you have some time to look at questions 16 to 20.
हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा टाइम हमेशा रहता है ताकि हम अपने आंसर्स को क्रॉस चेक कर सकें, स्पेलिंग्स वगैरह चेक कर सकें, तो उस टाइम पर आप बाकी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं। जब तक क्वेश्चंस चल रहे हैं तब तक फोकस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस करने तक होना चाहिए।
Now listen and answer questions 16 to 20.
Moving along, I'd now like to talk to you about another very important service that our office provides, and that is counseling. I'm sure that you are all well aware that there are times in life when things can go wrong and times can get tough. We all have to endure difficult experiences, and these difficulties can be emotional or physical. Whatever the case may be, talking with an experienced counselor can help you through the trying times. The counseling service here at Radstock is staffed by counselors who are qualified to help you deal with problems ranging from homesickness and loneliness to eating difficulties and life changes. To see a counselor, we recommend that you first visit our drop-in center. We run drop-in sessions on a daily basis from 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., and to reserve one of these sessions, you can telephone the counseling service on 121-5648-3907 on the day you wish to visit. Or, if you prefer, you can come into the Student Services office anytime after 8:30 a.m. and complete a booking form. If it should happen that you need to cancel your appointment for the drop-in session, we would request that you contact the counseling service as soon as possible to let them know. Drop-in sessions can be as short as 20 minutes, but it's more usual for them to take about 45 minutes. During that time, you will be asked some questions to clarify your situation, and a decision will be made as to what further action, if any, should be taken. After your session, several things may happen. Firstly, you may be referred to one of the university's counselors for further counseling, which normally consists of another 8 sessions. Secondly, you may be asked to visit another source of help within the university. Or finally, you may be referred to an external organization. Whatever course of action might be taken, you may rest assured that what goes on in these sessions is treated in strict confidence. I'd also like to mention that the counseling service runs numerous workshops on the campus every year. The focus of these workshops tends to be on personal development, and past topics have included motivation, self-identity, and impression management. There is no fee charged for these workshops, and if you require more information, feel free to contact us at stuser@acadia.co.uk.
That is the end of section 2.